On behalf of Adovector Solutions, I wish you a cheerful welcome. What is a physical change? Give an example. Properties such as shape, size, color, and the state of a substance are called its physical properties. When the shape, size, appearance, or physical state of a substance is changed, but its chemical composition remains same, a physical change of matter takes place. Basically, a physical change is a change in which a substance undergoes a change in its physical properties. No new substance is formed. Usually, physical change is reversible. Example is melting of ice into water, liquid. By freezing water, it can again be converted into ice. What is a chemical change? A chemical change is one in which a new substance is formed which has properties totally different from the starting materials. The starting materials are called reactants and the new substances formed are called products. In such changes, the nature and identity of the products is completely changed. Give examples of chemical changes that occur in our daily life. Some examples of chemical changes that occur in our daily life are cooking of food, rusting of iron, digestion of food, respiration, souring of milk. Give example of evolution of gas that takes place in a chemical change. Examples are burning of coal leads to the formation of carbon dioxide gas. Reaction between calcium carbonate and hydrochloric acid results in the formation of carbon dioxide gas. Reaction between zinc dust and sulfuric acid leads to the formation of a hydrogen gas. Give examples of chemical change where change in color takes place. Examples are rusting of iron. Grayish black iron changes to reddish brown rust in the presence of moisture. Blue colored copper sulfate solution reacts with iron fillings to form green colored ferrous sulfate solution and copper. Give an example of chemical change where change in physical state takes place. Examples are solid wax burns to form carbon dioxide and water vapors which are gaseous. Petrol, which is a liquid, burns to form carbon dioxide and water vapors which are gaseous in state. What are the characteristics or indicators of a chemical change? The indicators of a chemical change are change in physical state, change in color, evolution of gas, change in temperature, and formation of a precipitate. Based on change in temperature, how chemical changes or chemical reactions are classified. Based on change in temperature, reactions can be classified into two categories: exothermic reactions and endothermic reactions. Reactions accompanied by an increase in temperature due to the release of heat energy are called exothermic reactions. For example, when zinc dust is added to a sulfuric acid, the beaker becomes warm. Reactions which are accompanied by decrease in temperature due to the absorption of heat energy are known as endothermic reactions. For example, the reaction between barium hydroxide and ammonium chloride causes the beaker to become cold due to endothermic reaction. Leads to the formation of barium chloride and ammonium hydroxide. What is a precipitate? Give an example where formation of precipitate takes place in a chemical change. An insoluble substance forming or mixing two salt solutions is a precipitate. For example, in a reaction between lead nitrate and potassium iodide solutions, a yellow precipitate of lead iodide appears. Similarly, mixing sodium sulfate solution with barium chloride solutions forms a white precipitate of barium sulfate solution. Do chemical reactions involve more than one indicators? Explain with an example. Yes, many reactions involve more than one indicators. For example, when zinc reacts with dilute sulfuric acid, a gas is evolved, namely hydrogen, and also a rise in temperature takes place. When solid calcium carbonate is added to hydrochloric acid, the solid disappears and carbon dioxide gas is evolved along with rise in temperature. I hope you like our video and don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thanks.